Hi, I'm Jess Knowlton, and this is my PHED golf tutorial. So, I'm going to be teaching you today the chip and the full swing. So we're going to start with the chip first. So, there's a couple things you need to focus on. The first thing is your grip. So, I'm going to show you the grip now. First, you might make sure that the club is facing open to where you're aiming the ball. You want to put your hand on the club like this with with the grip part of it in the squishy parts of your fingertips. Then you're going to wrap your hand around and you're going to see this nice little V shape. You want to make sure that this V shape is facing your right shoulder because you're right-handed. If you're left-handed, it's going to be pointing your left shoulder. The next thing is you're going to put your next hand on over top of that thumb there and the V. You're going to make sure that it also makes a V shape, also facing your right shoulder. You're going to line up your body with the ball. You want to make sure that the ball is kind of closer to your back foot. You're going to lean forward over top of the ball, not too far forward. You don't want to be falling over. You're going to bend your knees a little bit, and you're going to just make sure you're nice and relaxed. You don't want to be too stiff or too loosey-goosey. So, for the chip, you're not going to do a big wind-up. You're just going to do a little bit of a pendulum. So you're going to go like this, and depending on how far you need to make the ball go, is how far you're going to wind up. I don't have a target, so I'm just going to show you really quickly what a chip looks like. That was a terrible example. The purpose of a chip is to get the ball up and into the air so that way you can get it from a very hairy spot of grass to a nice green. Awesome. So, the next one we're going to do is the full swing. For the full swing, it's a very similar grip, same thing. You're going to just be a little bit more relaxed with this one. You're not going to be as stiff. So nice and relaxed, bent knees, hips tilted back, and you're not going to be as forward over the ball. So you're nice and steady, and you're going to put most of your weight on your front foot. Then when you swing, you're going to pull way back like this, making sure that elbow is up, and then down on the ball. You want to make sure that you're going down on the ball, so that way you get the proper rotation of the ball. It'll make the ball go faster and in the direction that you want. So, we're going to try it out, see how well I do. Here we go. The next part is, you want to make sure you have really good follow through. As you saw there, maybe you saw there, as I pulled back like this, and I turned, my right foot turned, and you can see the bottom of my foot as I followed through. This is to make sure that I'm well balanced and I don't fall over after the end of my golfing swing. That's all for now, and yeah, cool.